Hi guys, in today's video I'm showing you how to add location on TikTok video. The process is straightforward and effortless. All you have to do is open your TikTok application. After it opens, let's record the new video on TikTok by tapping on this plus sign, which is on the bottom of mobile screen. Now swipe it to the right side for recording a video. And here, tap on this record button for recording video. Just for showing you, I will record a video for few seconds. So I record a video for 3 seconds, and now you can see a tick icon on the right bottom. Tap on it, and from here, tap on this next icon. And here you can see the option location. Just tap on it. Here are my location. You can also search for a specific location by tapping on it, and search for a location. Just for example, I will search for United States. Tap on it. And you can see the United States location has been added on my video. Now tap on this option post. Then your post will be posted with your selected location. So it was the primary way by which you can add location on TikTok video.